Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. This video is especially made because many customers are asking about what kind of fuel tank you use for the commercial boat. So today we have this 14-meter big landing craft, which is do the final fitting work. We have the deck opening for the 3 fuel tank. It's 2 fuel tank for the main engine and 1 spare fuel tank for the supplier. So you can see have a general overlook of this fuel tank. They have been fuel holes, exhaust, and firstly, the fuel tank it can be taken out. It's a very important. Can be taken out. You can see it's all being bolted tight, so you can remove this bolt. And then we have two lifting handle, so it can be take out. So this is the number 1. Number 2, we have very high grade fuel holes. It is Europe standard. We import from Europe. Also the exhaust pipe is all from Europe. So this mixture is very good quality fuel hose. And this is number 2. We have the number 3, and we have pulled this gasket. Then we have the thread and connecting this transducer, then thread and connect with the rubber hose. So this is a thread with this clip. Make sure very tight, air and never being flap off. So this is number 3, very important features. And this one also makes very easy for repair. Number 4, we have twin exhaust hose, exhaust pipe connecting to the side of the boat. Also, it can be removable and with the thread and fastening by this clip. So this very tight fix. Number 5, we have this covered gasket. It is good for the inspection. Also, we connecting the fuel sensor from here to the all the way to the dashboard of the warehouse. And this one is made by the aluminum, and we have the rubber. You see, we have the rubber in the middle. It's mixture, very tight seal, very strong seal. And when do the maintenance or the repair of the fuel tank, this one can be take off, and you can use scrap. You can use some fabric, some power to cleaning the inside, the oil sludge on the bottom of the boat. So this is another feature. Number 6 is we have this valve specially designed on the bottom of the fuel tank, and it is used for the drain of the water when you long time no use the fuel tank, no cleaning, so it's some water on the bottom. It's not very good for the engine, so it can be drained from here easily. And also when you cleaning the sludge from the bottom of the fuel tank, then this one you can open and cleaning is more easily. So this is good for the commercial boat. On the last very important feature is we have the fuel emergency shut-off valve for the fuel outlet. This is a fuel outlet hose, and this is being opening conditions, and you see I cannot move because we have this locking system. So when you open this locking system and turn, and it's been closed and it's locking again. So when you have emergency, you can shut off. When you take off the fuel tank for maintenance or repair, you need to shut off. So this is very important and very good design. Then on the general of the fuel tank, we do the testing of the fuel tank with air pressure testing with fuel pressure 25 bar for no more than 12 hours. This makes sure all the fuel tank is being certified, very safety, very quality. Then you have no any concerns of this fuel tank. So this is very important for all the boats, especially we have the commercial boat. So this is the same standard for all the boats we have on this factory for the landing craft, for the 10 meter, 11 meter catamaran, for the 15 meter mini yachts, and for the other kind of commercial boat. So this is about the fuel tank. I will give you more detailed videos about other features. Thank you. Bye bye.